Hey guys, we have free online textbook. Just click the link on the description below and you can access our vocabulary list, exercises, and listen to Japanese people speaking Japanese words and sentences to help you learn Japanese fast and easily. It's free! バンさん、
はい、
昨日のパーティーはどうでしたか？
楽しいです。
楽しい？楽しいじゃなくて楽しかったですよ。
はい、わかりました。楽しかったです。
そうそう。Hi guys! お元気ですか? It's me again. Welcome to Lesson 12, Grammar Explanation. But before proceeding to this video, make sure to watch the Lesson 12 vocabulary video so that you will understand the words that we will use in this lesson. So, let's get started. So, for today's topics, we will learn the tenses of nouns and na-adjectives, and the affirmative or the positive and the negative forms, and also the e-adjectives. And we will learn how to compare things in Japanese. Grammar point number 1. Tenses and affirmative negative forms of nouns and na-adjective. Nouns and na-adjectives can be conjugated in the same way. So for example, the noun ame. Ame is rain. And the na-adjective kantan. Kantan means easy. So the affirmative or present tense is ame desu and kantan desu. It's raining. Kantan desu. It's easy. Now the negative or the opposite of ame desu and kantan desu, we will replace this with ja arimasen. Ame ja arimasen is not rain, or in the future it will not rain. And the negative of kantan is kantan ja arimasen. Kantan ja arimasen is not easy. Now, the past tense of ame desu and kantan desu, we will replace this with deshita. Ame deshita, it was raining. Kantan deshita, it was easy. Now, for the past tense, but the negative or the negative past, ame ja arimasen plus deshita. So the negative is ame ja arimasen. Then add deshita to make it in past tense. Next, the kantan ja arimasen plus deshita, it means it was not easy. So remember, for future or present tense, in the affirmative, we will use des. For the past, we will use deshita. Both for nouns and na-adjectives. Now for the negative, we will use ja arimasen, and for the past negative, we will use ja arimasen deshita. Both for nouns and na-adjectives. Next one. For example, kino wa ame deshita. Kino wa ame deshita. So the time is indicated by the noun kino. Yesterday. Kino wa, yesterday was ame deshita, raining. So it was rainy yesterday. Because of the word kino, yesterday, we have to make the ame in past tense. Ame deshita. Next, kino no shiken wa kantan ja arimasen deshita. Kino no shiken wa kantan ja arimasen deshita. So once again, kino no shiken, the exam yesterday. Kantan ja arimasen deshita. So negative is kantan ja arimasen, it's not easy. And deshita because of the word kino, yesterday. So we will add deshita to make it in past tense. Negative past tense. Another example, kino no party wa do deshita ka? Kino no party wa do deshita ka? How was the party last night? Kino means yesterday. Kino no party, yesterday's party. Do deshita ka? So do deshita ka, the word do is used to ask the person about his experience. What can you say? How was the party yesterday? Totemo nigiyaka deshita. So the word totemo is an adverb added to an adjective. Totemo nigiyaka deshita. It was very, the word totemo is very, nigiyaka deshita. It was very lively. Iro-iro na hito ni aimashita. So iro-iro na hito, various people. Particle ni aimashita. I met a lot of people. So once again, particle ni is attached to the person for the verb aimasu. Grammar point number 2. Tenses and affirmative are negative forms of the E adjectives. Now for the E adjectives, the affirmative or future tense, samui desu is cold. Isogashi desu is busy. In the past, we will remove or omit the E from samui, samu, then add katta desu. Samu katta desu. It was cold. Next, isogashi desu. Let's remove the E, then add katta desu. Isogashi katta desu. It was busy, or I was busy. Now for the negative form, from samui desu, let's remove the E and replace with kunai. Kunai desu. Samu kunai desu. It's not cold. Isogashi, let's remove E, add kunai desu. Isogashi kunai desu. Now, to make it in past tense, from samu kunai desu, samu kunai ends in E. So once again, let's remove E and add katta to make it past tense. Samu kuna katta desu. Next, for the isogashi kunai desu. Isogashi kunai ends in E. So remove E and replace it with katta to make it past tense. Isogashi kunakatta desu. It was not busy. So for the example, kino wa amari samukuna katta desu. Kino wa amari samukuna katta desu. So kino, yesterday. Amari, if you remember the adverb of degree amari on lesson 8, amari is added to negative sentences or negative adjectives. Amari samukuna katta desu. Amari means not so. It wasn't so cold yesterday. Amari samukuna katta desu. Next, kino wa isogashi katta desu. Kino wa isogashi katta desu. Yesterday was busy. Next example, oshigoto wa isogashi katta desu ka? Oshigoto wa isogashi katta desu ka? Was your work busy? So, oshigoto wa isogashi katta desu. The work was busy. Add particle ka to make it a yes or no question. Was your work busy? The answer, iie, no. Amari isogashi ko nakatta desu. It wasn't so busy. Grammar point number 3. Noun 1 wa noun 2 yori adjective desu. So this sentence pattern describes the state of noun 1 compared to the noun 2. So noun 1 is adjective. So for example, densha wa kuruma yori hayai desu. Densha wa kuruma yori hayai desu. To understand this pattern easily, let's remove the word kuruma yori. Densha wa hayai desu. The train is fast. Densha wa hayai desu. If we insert kuruma yori, compared to kuruma, compared to a car, it means a train is faster than a car. The train is fast compared to a car. Next example, Tokyo wa Osaka yori hito ga ooi desu. Tokyo wa Osaka yori hito ga ooi desu. Once again, let's remove Osaka yori. Tokyo wa hito ga ooi desu. Tokyo has a lot of people, or there are a lot of people in Tokyo. Osaka yori, compared to Osaka. So it means Tokyo has more people compared to Osaka. Another example, New York wa Osaka yori samui desu ka? Is New York colder than Osaka? It's a yes or no question. So the answer is hi, yes. Zutto samui desu. Zutto samui desu. Zutto means by far or much. Then samui desu, cold. Yes, it's much colder. Grammar point number 4. Noun 1 to, noun 2 to, dochira ga adjective desu ka? So between noun 1 and noun 2, dochira ga adjective desu ka? Which is the adjective between noun 1 and noun 2? For example, densha to kuruma to, koko made dochira ga hayai desu ka? Densha to kuruma to, kuko made dochira ga hayai desu ka? So between densha, the train, and kuruma, a car, kuko made, up to the airport, dochira ga hayai desu ka? Dochira means which one, ga hayai desu ka is faster. So if you answer, or if your choice is densha, the train, you will use the pattern noun no hoga adjective desu. So if your answer is densha, densha no hoga hayai desu. The train is faster. Or if your choice is car, you will say kuruma no hoga hayai desu. Next example, Ban-san to Josh-san to dochira ga sega takai desu ka? So between the two, Ban-san to Josh-san to, between Mr. Van and Mr. Josh, dochira ga, which one is sega takai desu ka? Sega takai means tall. Which is taller? Who is taller? Josh-san no hoga sega takai desu. Josh is taller. Last example, sakka to yakyuu to dochira ga suki desu ka? So between soccer and baseball, dochira ga, which one suki desu ka, do you like? So for example, you like soccer and baseball, you will use the term dochira mo. Dochira mo. Then the adjective suki desu. Dochira mo means both, then suki desu, I like. I like them both. Grammar point number 5. Noun 1 no naka de noun 2 ga ichibang adjective desu. Or noun de noun 2 ga ichibang adjective desu. This sentence pattern is used to ask the listener to choose from the group or category denoted by the noun 1 that has the quality or state described by the adjective. So in that category or group, which one is the most adjective? For example, Nihon ryori no naka de nani ga ichibang uishii desu ka? Nihon ryori no naka de. So the group or category is Nihon ryori, Japanese dishes. No naka de. Naka means inside or within the Japanese dishes. Nani ga. This is the noun 2 ga. Nani ga, which one? Ichibang uishii desu ka? Ichibang is the most. Uishii desu ka, delicious. So if your answer is tempura, so from the interrogative nani ga, you will answer tempura ga. Tempura ga ichibang uishii desu. Next, kazoko de dare ga ichibang sega takai desu ka? So kazoko de, within your family. This is the group or the category, kazoku, particle de. Dare ga ichibang sega takai desu ka? Dare ga, who is ichibang sega takai desu ka? The most or the tallest in your family. If your answer is your elder brother, from the interrogative dare ga, you will answer ani ga. Ani ga ichibang sega takai desu. Then if you yourself are the tallest among the members of the family, you will say watashi. Watashi ga ichibang sega takai desu. Next example, Nihon de doko ga ichibang samui desu ka? So, Nihon de, in Japan, doko ga, what place, ichibang samui desu ka is the most cold or is the coldest. If you answer Hokkaido, you will say, from the interrogative doko ga, you will say Hokkaido ga. Hokkaido ga ichibang samui desu. Hokkaido is the coldest. Grammar point number 6. Adjective no. No is used to substitute a noun. For example, in the first sentence, bansang no kabang wa dore desu ka? So dore is an interrogative used to ask which one. Which one is Van's bag? Bansang no kabang wa dore desu ka? So someone answered, ano kurukute, that black. Chisai no desu, small. That small black one. So the word kabang is replaced with the particle no. If we rewrite this sentence, ano kurukute chisai kabang desu. Ano kurukute chisai kabang desu. That black small bag, or that small black bag. So if you don't want to repeat the word kabang because this already mentioned in the first sentence or in the question, you can replace the word kabang with the particle no. Ano kurukute chisai no desu. That small black one. That's all for this lesson, guys. The next step, visit manabutextbook.com so that you can access more exercises and example sentences about this lesson for free. We also added a lecture video to make it easier for you to understand the contents of our online textbook. Minasan, Kyo no lesson wa ikaga deshita ka? I hope you learned a lot in today's lesson. If you have questions, you can leave a comment below, and also you can follow me on my Instagram account. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future lessons. Dewa, mata ne. Bye-bye.